Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to build an e-commerce store website in Wix Studio. It's very easy and very simple to build in Wix Studio, so it won't take you too much of time apart from customizing your layouts. My name is Ashok. I'm a Wix Studio certified developer from India. I offer Wix Studio services and also build templates. So if you need one, you can check out on my website. So let's dive into the video. To add an e-commerce store in Wix Studio, you just have to do one thing, is adding an app built by Wix team, right? So as you can see here, I'm in my Wix Studio project. It's blank project, no pages, nothing, right? So here you'll find my business and here you'll find app market, right? So if you click on app market, it will show you the app market apps, but click on the my business. After clicking here, you see all these apps, right? Here you have Wix stores, right? Click on the plus icon. It will start adding the pages like product page, shop page, category page, right? All the pages that you need for your e-commerce store. So if you don't want to use Wix's e-commerce store feature, then you can build your own and you have to do some custom coding and so many things, right, by yourself. So I don't suggest that. Just use these. I'm also using these and so far I haven't seen any issues with it. It's very easy, right? Just give it a moment. See, now it has added this bag icon here, cart icon here, right? So it's adding the pages in the background right now, right? The checkout forms, the cart page, product page, and all the pages that we need to run an e-commerce store. See, as you can see, the category page here, we have the category page, all the store pages. So from here in the pages panel, you can see stores page, category card, thank you page, product page, site card, members page, because there will be like sign in and sign up for some of your products for subscriptions services, right? So you can have this members page also, right? So on the home page. So right now, if I go to this category, this is my category page, this is my product page, but I don't have any shop page, or I don't want my users directly go to this category page right now. Right now it shows the all products, but if I add new categories, it will show up here also, right? These filters and other things. I'll show you how you can customize these things. So initially, let's say on the home page, what I want to do, I want to add a product slider here which shows the products, right? So what I'll do, I'll select this section, the blank section. I click on this add elements, and inside add elements, let's go and click on the store here, product slider, right? The gallery you have. So I'll just drag these and drop here on this section. Just give it a moment, right? Okay, so now I have my slider. I'll just make it full height and full width. Right now it's the maximum width it's getting. Right, so this is your product slider on the home page, right? Some of the home page that you want. So if I click here on the slider, if I click on the settings, so what it will do, it's asking me, right, which product to display. Rated products, best sellers, a specific category. If you want a specific category, then you have to choose a category, right? Right now it's all products. We don't have any categories right now. So right, so here in the manage category, you can add categories. I'll show you in a while, but so many options to customize it. Category title, here is the title. As you can see, the title is there, this, but I don't want it, right? Product name, this is the product name and price divider. Let's add a price divider. Product price, you can add a product price, discount name. If you have a discount name, then it will show up there also. Ribbon, see, it's now bestseller. And the digital download page, if you have digital products you are selling, then you can have that download kind of icon there, right? We don't have right now, so I'll don't do that. Add to cart button, let's do that. See, right now you have add to cart button. You'll see this kind of stores on Shopify, WooCommerce, right? They have all these things. So it's here. You just have to just customize it very easily. And on hover, let's say I want to show it on hover, so I'll show you this quantity selector. So here I'll have the quantity selector, view, quick view button, navigation arrows. On hover, these navigation arrows on hover only. So right now it's gone because it's on hover only. Now I want the pagination dots. See the pagination dots. Let's not show this quantity selector right now. And what else we can do here? We can, in the settings, slider behavior, right? Infinite loop, like it keeps scrolling however you want it, right? As per your requirements. Image hover effect. Let's say if someone hovers on image, what do you want to do? You want to swap an image because you'll have images in your product, right? So that you can do here. And let's say add to cart button, open side cart, or show success pop-up, or go to cart page, right? When someone clicks on that particular button, what do you want to do? All those things that is here. And the layout, right now it's grid, product images, add to cart, all these things you can customize from here. Number of products here applies to all breakpoints, right? So means whatever you do here, it will apply to all breakpoints, whether it's tablet, mobile, or the desktop version. And here, how many products to show? Right now we are showing 3 products, right? And spacing between products 10 pixel. Let's increase it to 24, not 124, and show part of the next product. We have that, that's why it is showing it. Let's not show it there, right? Okay, I have the 3 products because we have 3 selected here. Now that's done. Now product images. So you can do it, let's say fit, or it will crop it automatically for you. Right now it's fit, and I usually don't use this fit one because I use crop, because sometimes your images or the desktops and are different, and the image ratio 1:1 is fine because most people are using this one. But if you want to use, let's say, a little bit bigger, right? Some products you might have seen like this, but most people or e-commerce store use this 1:1 ratio. Side padding from the sides of this particular container of that, what do you want? Let's add 16. See, now it has added the 16 pixel of padding in the image, right? I think let's not do anything there because I think this is fine. So that was the product images. And then add to cart button on image or below info. Let's say on image, right? Let's use it on image. And then side padding, all these padding things, I'm not going to touch that. Product info, this info thing, how do you want it? Do you want it here in the center? Do you want with a card, right? The border outline, you can change those things also here. See the sell price layout, however you want, you can select here. You don't have to create anything, you just have to change this stuff, right? Because Wix has already built it for you. You don't have to go and build out anything, any layouts. You just have to select this. You like this layout as per your designs, then select that, or you can change the layout. It's up to you, right? The name and price take layout, let's say side by side, right? This is, I like it. I think I like this one more. Product info alignment in the center, or let's say the left align. Distance between name and 4%, let it be 4%, and this is fine for me. And product info ribbons, if you want to show this ribbon, see here we are showing this ribbon on image right now, but let's say on the product info, it's very easy, simple to do, right? In navigation arrows, inside gallery or outside gallery, let's use outside gallery, right? But if you remember, we had on hover, we are showing these arrows on hover, right? So let's use the inside gallery, because if someone hovers on any of these products or this particular section, it will show up. And then we have pagination dots, distance from gallery 20 pixel. Let's I think that's fine, let's do 24. I mostly use like 16, 24, 32, right? Multiple of 8 or 4. I prefer to use that for padding and spacing. Design in general, let's say background opacity color 0, product cards. See all these cards, if you want to design, you want to add a border, anything you want to do. Let's say if you want to add any border, you can do those stuff from here. Ribbons, navigation arrows, you can change the colors. Right now it's white, right? But all these things you can do from here, the one we just checked here, right? And now it's time to design them. You can design it your way. The images and other things, let's say pagination dots, we name it add to cart button. If you want to change, let's say the design of the add to cart button is this, and let's say let's go here, add to cart button not on hover, so we can see that one here, right? And design add to cart button, it's circle. Now look at this with outline. This one, I like this a lot, right? And the text button content text only, or if you want to add an icon, right? So let's say this icon, what do you want to add? Plus, or you can add this bag because you already have that bag, so let's use that bag icon, or let's use this cart. I think this looks fine to me. And all the settings that you need to customize it according to your Figma designs or Photoshop designs or anywhere you have the inspiration from, right? You can customize it here. If you don't have any experience, reach out to me. I will help you out with your e-commerce store on Wix Studio or any Wix website, right? And this the text here, the category list title, browse by here. See, if you have any item, add to cart, button text, add to cart, let's add to basket. Sorry, let's use that as to basket. I like this because so we have an e-commerce company in India. They use this add to basket, right? Pre-order button and all these things, that text quick view. So right now I haven't show you this in the preview mode, otherwise you would be able to see that, but I'll show you right now, right? Just give me a moment. Manage store, let's not do that, but here if I click on that preview and see these see, I just look at this, right? These, look at those arrows, because we have set it like when someone hovers on our products, it will show on, right? It will be visible. So like this, right? Or you can add animations, the simple animations. If you want, you can do that also. So right now I think that's it for this adding a separately apart from these pages, right? Because these are the main pages and this is your adding on your home page or anywhere else you want on your website, right? So okay, so right now I have the menu, and what's this? I think it's a login one. Okay, let's use the cart button here. So before we proceed with this customization, let's go and see how you can add products, how you can add categories, and how you can work with the SEO, right? Because that's very important. So again, click on my business here, and here in the Wix stores, here you add your first product. So add your first product from here, define shipping regions, all these things I will cover at the end of the video. But now let's work on this, add a product, right? Let's click on here, manage products, so we can have everything here at once. Just give it a moment. It depends on your internet speed. Okay, products, inventory, categories, and back in stock request, find products to sell. So many things you can do here. Let's say add a physical or digital products. Click on add new product, then you can do that. Or from customers with link in bio. I don't like this this advertisement by Wix. This product, right? Let's do it from scratch. Click here, add a physical product, because right now I want to add a physical. If you are adding a digital product, then I would suggest you zip your file, right? Use zip converter and then zip your file and then upload it to Wix. Here you can add images, you can add videos. Now here let's give it a my first product. Here you can have a ribbon, let's say new, have new, and here you can add the content. I can add anything I want here, right? I'll just use this dummy content here, and let's say you can add italic, bold, underline, the color. Let's say this one, if I select this and I add a color, let's say this green, I think this is fine. Now that has green. And let's say if I just add a content again, I click on here and then I can add like this background, right? Because you may need this one, right? Then if I select this, I don't want anything, nothing, I don't want anything from here also, right? Let's use the black. I think black is fine. And you can set a link also. You can add these bullet points, number points, and these layout options here, right? You can use this AI generator. You can ask it to create a content for you. Just click on this generate an AI content, my first product. Write product description for my new Samsung A16 phone, right? Just like this. It will take a time. See, you can have options, but I'll just, for a sake of this fake dummy content, I'll use that. And that's how I can have content, right? You can add more things like some add info sections, right? After your product description, you can add some info sections. I'll show you where it will be visible. Let's say specifications. Here you can write anything about your product. FHD, full HD. So now let's make it like bullet points, full HD, and AMOLED display, 5000 watts like battery, right? And let's just add that specifications, product. Let's change it to Samsung A16 phone, right? And then we have like the price. You can add the price, like let's say 159. It's in rupees because I have created this store from India. That's why you can have this on sale. So let's say if you are, let's say on the price or the percentage, let's say 10% of sale is going on, right? On the price, on your actual price. Okay, show price per unit. I don't want to do that. Custom text, if you want to show allow customers to personalize this product with a custom text field. So let's say you can ask, let's say if you are building gifting or any inquiries that you want, right? Let's say if I'm selling a Wix Studio templates, right, or a Webflow template. So sometimes I am like, I have to transfer it from my website to client's website. So I'm asking like this. What's your Webflow account email, right? Mandatory field because this product is particular for Webflow, right? And they will add it, right? I'll show you how it looks on the checkout page also. Product options, what is this? This is variants, nothing else. Let's say this phone is like color. Let's use the color, and the color type like black, purple, and let's use the black and purple. Let's add that color of this phone. Manage pricing inventory for each product variants. If you want to do that, you can do it from here. For let's say The black one, the price would be 149, and on top of, let's say, the actual price we have, let's say 0, because that's the actual price. And if it's purple, then purple is like 25 rupees extra for that one. 10% discount in stock. You can add the SKU here, cost of good. This is for your tax and all, right? Shipping weight, you can add the weight in kilograms, stock, out of stock, options, all those things you can do from here. And pre-order, if you want, if you are building anything where you need a pre-order, to get a pre-orders, you can have this option also. You can enable it from here. If you want a subscription, you can create a subscription from here as well, right? So let's say if I create a subscription, what is the name of the subscription? The tagline, right, repeats every 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. So mostly, let's say if you are selling a beauty products, and you have to let's say it's a subscription for it, right? Every month you have to send them face washes and the serums or anything, so right? You can have this subscription for every month. Expires after, never expires. It depends on clients, right? Whenever client let's say that they don't want any subscriptions, they can cancel it from their end. If you want to add descriptions, discounts, you can do it from here, right? But this is a subscription. This is how you can create. I don't want any subscription for this product. Okay, so I think that's it for this one. And here we don't have any images, but let's do it. I'll use AI generator here. Wix is AI generator to generate an image for this product. Create an image for Samsung Galaxy A16 phone, right? I want a photo. Create. Just give it a moment. Let's use this for a while. So the image is ready, it's here, and just add to page. Now my image is added to this particular item, Samsung Galaxy. The reason I'm changing this because I want to show you the SEO part also, right? Adding a product. Here you have options like show in online store or show in point of sale also. I don't have point of sale, I'm just selling online, that's it. All products category, we don't have any categories, but let's say here, let's create a category. Let's say phone, Samsung is the category, because our website is about selling phones. So that's Samsung. And then let's say create a coupon. If you want a coupon, you can create a coupon. Let's not create a coupon. Promote this product. Let's create a coupon so you can know how to create a coupon. Saved, the product is saved. Now it is opening that, let's say discount, free shipping. Samsung Galaxy A16 free ship. It should not be this big, but I'm just using it. Samsung, let's say Samsung Galaxy A16, right? That's it. This is Samsung coupon name. Apply to minimum order subtotal or all orders. Let's say minimum order subtotals. If the subtotal is like more than 100, then it will be applied to it. And the free shipping includes subscriptions. If you want to give a subscription, you can do that. Valid between, you can set the date here. So March 8 to March, let's say 1 week. I'm running this one because I'm planning to run ads on this product. So that's why I'm setting the coupons. I'm going to give this free shipping in my ads, Facebook ads, Google ads. Limit the total number of uses for this coupon. Only, let's say 10 or any one. Let's say you can limit to one use per customer, because if customer is coming in, he's ordering, let's say first time, and then again for someone he buys and he'll get the free shipping. I don't want that. I just want, let's say if the user is coming from this email, this account, he can only access this coupon for once, right? Not multiple times. Create a coupon here. Okay, I have the coupon already edit, and here product tags things unfulfilled by. I'll show you how you can do this also, right? If you have, let's say, any warehouses, FBA kind of thing, then you can do it from here also. Default rates, then brand, start typing a brand name, let's say a Samsung, and here we have the Samsung. You can have a phone also in the category. What else do we have here? Product insights. I don't want this right now because we have nothing here, right? And then let's talk about this. Promote this one. This is for the advertising one. You can check out my other videos for this. Edit SEO settings. Click on that. Save and continue. I'll show you the reason behind adding the meaningful name here, right? See right now, here focus keywords, right? So because if you have a paid plan, then you can add, like, let's say focus keyword Samsung Galaxy S16 phone. That's your focus keyword, right, for search engines, right? And then that's how you can add this content. So right now, detailed product, we already have that image at the product date index up here, right? Alt text for the image. For this image, you can add the alt text from here. I'll show you in a while. Here you can add the description for this particular product, and you can hit save, right? If you want some advanced, you can change this meta description from here, your URL slug of the product from here, and what else we have? The advanced, you can have, like, let's say OG images for social sharing. You can have that. The current image is this, but I would suggest you add a different image also here, right? You can change it from here, see, change, or if you want to make any adjustment to image, right? Add settings and Facebook and LinkedIn settings from here, right? So let me show you how you can add the alt text for the image. Now let's cancel. Here I have my image, and here let's change the sending. Oh, sorry, let's not do that. I already have the product, manage products. Go to products again and go to that product. Just give it a moment. Here I have the product. I have two variants in that particular product. Image 1. Just give it a moment. Okay, here you have all the things. Here, click here, and here from there you can add alt text. For if you have multiple images, it will show up here. Anything. Samsung Galaxy A16 phone, right? It is useful for SEO purpose also. So that's it for my product, creating a product. So we already have a category, and if you go to these categories here, inside these categories section, you can find, let's say Samsung, we already have one. You can add categories. If I click on this category, and I can add an image for the category, I can add the description for the category, the name, anything you want, the SEO things, and also the one I just showed you, the same things will be here, right? And the inventory, right? You can have the inventory stuff also here for this in stock. You can manage all these things, the SKUs and other for your products, right? If let's say this product is not in stock, then you can just go here from set it out of stock. That's it for this particular product, and it's saved automatically. Categories I just showed you. Back in stock request, let's say you can use these features. These are some advanced features if you want. Let's say if you don't have any product, but if you want to show these to someone, to your users, you can use this feature one. Find products to sell. I like this feature of Wix Studio because here you can find products that you can sell which are trending and useful for your category. If it's not, just ignore this one, right? This part. Gift cards. If you are let's say just like Amazon, right? eBay, they have these gift cards. You can have the gift cards. You can create the gift cards and sell them also. Sales channels. All these sales channels, I'm showing you these features because it comes under the e-commerce one, right? Google, eBay, Amazon, you can connect it with all these one from your Wix Studio website. You don't have to go outside and customize separately. You can just have to link your accounts from here and you can sell easily. Or you can find the more from the app market. You can find these apps which is related to your requirements, right? TikTok catalog, Amazon, eBay, Google, and YouTube. You have to play with these things, and inside the sales, you get orders, gift card sales, all payments, and other details that you need, right? All the orders will be visible here. Yeah, our product is we don't have any orders, so I can't show you anything right now here. Payments, analytics in the sales, you see this month which product was working fine, which one you got most sales for the product and all, right? So that's it for this one. That's it you get here in this sales and catalog. Let me show you in the settings. Let me show you how you can add the payments method. Accept payments, click on the settings, click on the accept payments here, or otherwise you can click here and it will directly take you there. Okay, I confirm from India. I can either use Razorpay. It's very popular here in India. Pay is very popular, so I can just hit connect and do this credential thing, right? I'm not going to touch that. But the thing that I want to show you is in the e-commerce one. Just give me a moment. I'm looking for the store products, inventory, shipping, delivery, and fulfillment. Let's look at the checkout here. Here's the checkout one. Settings, I have the form. I click on the edit form here, so I get the form. Remember, we have asked users to add those fields, so you can add a new field, you can add title, whatever you want to do. These are the basic ones, but if you want, let's say if you want to get more information from the user, you can use this feature, right? And you can save it, and your users will be able to see these during the checkout. Subscription opt-in checkout, ask user if they want to join your SMS and email list, right? So you can do this here. Checkout header, let's see here. Let's say if someone is on checkout page and when they are ready to make the payment, they can see the logo of your company, the name of your company here, right? And what else do we have here? In the checkout of the store products and inventory, manage. I showed you this, right? And now let's look at the shipping. Here's the shipping. Here you have the domestic, international. Right now, I think we don't have any international one, but I can delete it. You can add a new route, add a rate for your domestic one. In India, it's a free shipping. I'm not charging anything here. Fulfillment services. Let's see if you want to add any fulfillment services, manage fulfillment services. Order fulfillment, third-party logistic apps you can get from here, or else you can add emails to the third-party services. So I'm from India, and these are some apps in India, I think, which are popular. Shipbob, I think I can use these and pick and pack all these fulfillment services I can use. So whenever I get the orders, the order goes to this particular Shipbob, and they will deliver and handle everything, and everything will be managed in my store automatically. I don't have to do anything, right? Then if you don't want to do that, if you have a local delivery partner and you want to email them the new orders, right, you can just use this forward your orders by email, add a fulfiller, the name, the email, when order is paid, when someone makes an order, and when it's paid. Let's say if I'm selling a digital products, Wix Studio templates, once someone buy the templates and I want someone to deliver the template, I'm just giving an example, but in this case, let's say physical products, right? If you want your products to be, let's say after they make the payment, then you can do that, or you have these other options also, right? So this is for the settings of this shipment, the payments and other things they can do from here. Okay, so now I think we have covered so many things, right, which is useful for your e-commerce store. So if you still have any questions, any queries, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can get in touch with us. Define shipping regions, I showed you how you can do that. Connect payment methods, I showed you that as well. And all these dashboards and abandoned carts and all this, Facebook shop, all these things you can do it from here. You don't have to go anywhere. Just click here, just follow the steps, and it will be done. right? And now let's go to the category page. The category here, let's look at some options of customizing it. Right now I have the category pages like this, and what can we do here? We have our product here showing here with this discount new page, right? It's good. And then let's say they click on the settings, and here I mostly they give you the same settings, right? You like this one I showed you earlier, right? What do you want to show here? Breadcrumbs. These are the breadcrumbs. This one you see. I don't want to add any product. Here in the display breadcrumbs, this is called breadcrumbs, and I suggest you to keep it like this, right? Don't change it, don't remove it, right? You can change the color and things, that's fine, but don't remove it. It's good for the SEO purpose. Header section, I think do we have the header section? Let's yeah, here this is the header section here. Let's not use that, I don't want to use that. Total product count, it's good, right? We can show it to the user. And product name, that's it, the same one I showed you earlier. This one you can go and work with them. Go to filters, go to sorting, right? Let's say you can change this thing, go to filters, show filter title here, and show applied filters, filter by this one, right? Category, price, and product options. Sorting, you can this sort by product recommended, newest, price, low, price, high, it's up to you however you want it. And what else do we have? The layout, the one we saw earlier, the design, the same things you'll get, right? That's why I showed you in the beginning how you can customize it, right? These are the same thing, the text and all. If you want to change the list, filters, quick view, all this, right? The same, you don't have to worry about this one, right? This is the common by Wix Studio, given the design, and this is the standard one everyone is using like this, right? So let's go with that, let's not change it. But if you want to change it, you want to create your own custom e-commerce store category page, then you have to work with the Velo coding, right? You'll need the help of a developer who can help you create that particular page using the coding, right? So now in the cart page, it's simple, it will show you the products here, right? And then you have the thank you page. You can customize the thank you page as per your design requirements. Let's look at this thank you, and you can change it. I don't like that, just give it a moment. See the simple, right? I like to keep it simple for my own store. I keep it like this only, right? Design, if you want to change the design, you can do it from here. The text, all the things, the text you see here, it's you can add from here, right? The order number, image, and browsing link and all, right? You can do that from here, it's standard. And the product page, the main page that your users will see and or will compel to buy anything, will compel to take an action to purchase any products from you, right? Just give it a moment. Oh my god, it's our product, the first product, Samsung Galaxy S16 phone. It's good. Okay, I have the product. See, this one product info, this is the additional info sections I told you about. This one, right? The one we created for the specifications for the product, right? The A16 phone. These are settings, I'll show you the same thing we did on the home page. Like this, the layout, and this layout for this particular, at least right now it's like column layout. If you want, you can have a row layout, your products. See, one column. If I have only one column, then I'll have the products at the top and then the content in the bottom. See here, like this, but I don't like that, so let's go with the two column layout. And right now the ratio is like first column is a 60. Let's use this 40. Let's use this 50 and the 50, right? I think this is better. This is fine. And you can have this, let's say center, right? It's up to you. This is the layout, right? Now let's click on the choose layout, and here you can I think I clicked on that one earlier, right? Let's click on this one. I think this is useful here. widget elements, product name, we are showing gallery, we are showing this is the gallery, description, SKU, whatever you want to show here, you can do that because we don't have any SKU for this product, that's why it's not showing up. And then the product options, quantity, stock status, custom tags, subscription, info section, all these ones, whatever you want, you can keep it enabled, otherwise you can disable that part, right? So now what if I don't want these layouts? So what I did, let me click outside. I have just clicked for once here. I'm clicking it for once. And again, if I click on this gallery, then I can change the layout. Click on the layout. Right now, I don't want it like the thumbnail on the left hand side. I want the thumbnail on the bottom side. So in the customize layout, let's click on that and thumbnail here in the bottom side. So I can have a more view for my main image, right? So you can have these ratios here, left to right, 1:1, crop, the thumbnail size, and all these things that you need for your product, right? Just look at these, all these loop images, all these features slide automatically on off, right? So you want to keep a slider or anything for this slider, you have this gallery, right? Let's use this one. I'll use that. I don't know why it's not setting up right now. It's taking too much time, but that's how you can do it, right? And let's say this one, product name, here, click here again. So let's say if you want to change the text, anything, any color, anything, you can do it from the design mode here. For this text, you can change it from here. All these layouts you can change it. What's your Webflow account email? Remember these we added, I think not the checkout, but we added when we were adding this product, right? We ask users what's your Webflow account. So when they make this, let's say purchase for this product, we will also receive their Webflow account email. So it's good. So it's showing it here, specifications. Remember we added this one in the additional info section. It's here. You can disable these items if you don't want it to be shown. You can disable it from here. Design action buttons. Right now it's rectangle. Let's change its layout to something else. Here you have the options, buy now, pre-order, out of stock buttons, and all the options you can use to customize and design your e-commerce store. Side by side, let's use side by side the layout for these buttons, buy now and add to cart. And if you want to design your buttons, you can do it from here. Let's wait for it. For some reason it's not showing up, but you can design it from here. It will just give you the options of outline, rectangle, or let's say the curved ones and all. Okay, so I think that's it. I don't know why for some reason it's not working right now, or is it from my end or what? I don't know. It's not showing me those options. Okay, here if it shows it from there, see, you can add the text and the icon here. And in the settings, what do we get there? Let's see. I think mostly you can change the text here and the icon, right? Go to cart page. Where does the user go when someone clicks on this? Go to cart page, it's fine. Show check mark on button, let's use that. Right, so that's it. And you have the side cart. Someone clicks on, let's say, the side cart, the cart button at the top, you'll have the side cart here. The same changes you can do, the options they give you of designing and the customizing, whatever you want to keep or remove anything from the layout and all, right? The same thing. This is a light box, and these are the members area pages. Here let's go to the member area page. So if you have subscriptions and your users can see those things from here, like the account, my orders, my addresses, my wallet, right? Your users details will be here for them, right? And you get in your backend of this dashboard, right? You can access it from here. Click on this one here in the stores and go to dashboard. You can access everything created to your store from here. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you want to build your store but don't want to do it yourself, then reach out to me. I will help you build a store for your website, for your e-commerce business, and without any hassles, I will implement everything for you. Why don't you go to check out my website and schedule a call with me so I can help you with your website. Until next time, happy creating.